I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to set up a passkey for the Roblox website. And as always, if this tutorial helps you out, check out maxdalton.how for more great tutorials. Are you looking to add an extra layer of security to your Roblox account, especially when playing on the Roblox website? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to set up a passkey for the Roblox website. This is a great way to protect your account from unauthorized access, and you also get the added bonus of no longer needing to use a password to log in to the Roblox website. Now let's walk through the steps to set up a passkey for the Roblox website. Step 1. Open a web browser, navigate to roblox.com, and then sign into your Roblox account if prompted. You'll land on your Roblox home screen. Step 2. Click the Settings icon at the top of the screen to open a menu, and then tap Settings in this menu. Your Roblox Settings screen opens. Step 3. Make sure Account Info is selected in the menu on the left side of the screen. Find the Login Methods section, and then click Add Passkey in this section. An Add a Passkey window pops up, letting you know that passkeys are the most secure and easiest way to log in to your Roblox account. Step 4. Click Continue. You may be asked to verify your Roblox password or enter a one-time code sent to the email address associated with your Roblox account. In this example, I'll add my Roblox passkey to my 1Password account. After you're finished, you'll see a message letting you know that a passkey has been created. Going forward, you'll no longer need to log into Roblox on this specific device because you'll be authenticated using your passkey. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website